Konnichiwa. Ready to sound like a pro in Japanese conversations? Let's dive into 25 essential phrases that will get you speaking with confidence. Don't forget to repeat after me for extra practice. Let's start with the basics. 1. Konnichiwa, which means hello. Repeat after me. Konnichiwa. Great job. 2. Genki desu ka, which means how are you? Your turn. Repeat after me. O genki desu ka? Very good. 3. Genki desu, arigato, which means I'm good, thank you. Please repeat after me. Genki desu, arigato. Well done. Ordering food or drinks? No problem. 4. Ongai shimasu, which means please. Repeat after me. Onegai shimasu. Excellent. 5. Arigato, which means thank you. Please repeat after me. Arigato. Nice work. 6. Kohio kudasai, which means I'd like a coffee, please. Your turn. Repeat after me. Kohio kudasai. You are doing amazing. Lost in a new city? Try these. 7. Toare wa doko desu ka, which means where's the bathroom? Repeat after me. Toare wa doko desu ka? Awesome. 8. Ikura desu ka, which means how much does it cost? Your turn. Repeat after me. Ikura desu ka? Great pronunciation. 9. Tasukete kudasai, which means I need help. Please repeat after me. Tasukete kudasai. You're doing great. Making friends is easy with these. 10. Doko kara kimashita ka, which means where are you from? Repeat after me. Doko kara kimashita ka? Fantastic. 11. Watashi no namae wa desu, which means my name is. Please repeat after me. Watashi no namae wa desu. Perfect. 12. Hajime mashaite, which means nice to meet you. Your turn. Repeat after me. Hajime mashaite. Way to go. And here are some handy quick phrases. 13. I, which means yes. Please repeat after me. Hi. Nice work. 14. Lie, which means no. Your turn. Repeat after me. Lie. Spot on. 15. Sumimasen, which means excuse me. Repeat after me. Sumimasen. Great effort. 16. Gomen nasai, which means I'm sorry. Your turn. Repeat after me. Gomen nasai. Excellent. 17. Daijobu desu, which means it's okay. Please repeat after me. Daijobu desu. You're crushing it. Now impress at a party or event. 18. Kanpai, which means cheers. Your turn. Repeat after me. Kanpai. Very nice. 19. Suki desu, which means I like it. Please repeat after me. Suki desu. Wonderful. 20. Wakarimasen, which means I don't understand. Repeat after me. Wakarimasen. You're doing amazing. 21. Moichido itte kudasai, which means can you repeat that? Your turn. Repeat after me. Moichido itte kudasai. Keep it up. Finally, wrap up your day with 22. Oyasumi nasai, which means good night. Please repeat after me. Oyasumi nasai. Beautiful pronunciation. 23. Sayonara, which means goodbye. Your turn. Repeat after me. Sayonara. Excellent. 24. Matane, which means see you later. Repeat after me. Matane. You're doing great. 25. Isho ni manande kurete arigato, which means thanks for learning with me. Your turn. Repeat after me. Isho ni manande kurete arigato. Fantastic work. Practice these phrases daily and soon you'll be chatting like a local. Explore our other videos in this series for valuable guidance on moving out of the United States in 2025. From detailed insights on the cost of living in various countries and learning essential conversational phrases in a new language, to discovering top relocation destinations, navigating the visa process, and much more. We've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.